Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. This is WiStillaLearn speaking, right? The voice of first person tutor, familiar face of WiStillaLearn. Here we go. Now, we're going to go from the very top. We're going to go the usual E2 to E4, E7, E5, right? The G1, F3. The knight comes out and does the opposite knight motion, right? The bishop goes to C4. Then we meet in kind. My favorite move, the C2 to C3. That's a variation I go with. Alright, black decides to go for the D7, D6. Oh, and now we get the very aggressive D2 to D4. Now we as black, we capture right there, and white replies with a pawn capture of its own. Oh, we take advantage of that missing defense, right? Yeah, very typical response in terms of blocking. And then now we have the F6 knight appears. Now we have castling, right? The castling takes place here. Oh, but then he said, well, the pin is gone, might as well get rid of the bishop there. Okay, good. So we have a capture here, and then of course after the capture we go to castling. And now the bishop pulls back in front of the queen. We make a forward push of the pawn here. Right, I figured this is something that I would do. If I was white, this is what I would do. Ooh. But then that's what I love about knights. Knights know how to get out of tricky situations. So I really enjoy that about knights. There's no other piece on the board that can get out of tricky situations like a knight can. Alright. And this is the reason why the bishop decided to take the knight. Them not take no check. Okay. So now, you see? Now this knight has to get out of the way. Now let's be mindful. This knight is being protected by this bishop right here. Right? Alright, now where does the bishop go? The bishop goes here. So we went from C8 to F5. Now we have a queen going up to E2. Then we have a queen going all the way up to D5. Then we have a bishop dropping on E3. Alright, so we put tempo on the knight. The knight that is on G5. Oh, ho, ho. Man. Look at this tempo. This tempo is dangerous. Pawns, don't underestimate pawns. They're powerful. What? Oh no. Okay, you're offering a trade. I see. I see. You're ignoring the threat on your queen. But I see where you're going with this. Right. Our queen is smart. Yeah, we don't want that. We're not about that life. Definitely not. Oh. And we deliver a check regardless. What is the best response to this move? Unfortunately, your best response actually, you have to capture the knight with knight. Anything else is It's just not a good deal. Let's confirm. There we go. I knew it. You had to. Get rid of this knight. Get it off the board. Right? And now, the queen does this. Yeah. That's about it. That's about it. So let's see. Right. We didn't do too bad there. We didn't do too badly there. Yeah. Well, this now is a 10-move game. So a 10-move game. Let's see how quickly we can get through. Let's see how quickly we can get through this in 10